Good morning, guys. Good morning, good afternoon. Good morning, good morning, good morning. We'll get started in a few minutes. Right, let's see what's moving. What is moving and grooving? Moving and grooving. Let me see what's this moving here. Any other plays moving? PRCH. What's this one? Good morning, guys. Good morning, good afternoon. PRCH. Added this to the watch list. Damn, this thing's nice. Lots of resistance here. I would say $4 break. You could look for possible entries. PRCH, just wait for that $4. PRCH, wait for 403 break. I'll get your questions now, guys. Give me a sec. AMLX, dead cat bounce. AMLX. AMLX. Okay, well, AMLX down here. I mean, yeah, if you want to like, the thing is, how you trade this is you just have your, if you enter now, just have your stop loss below this. Like, have your stop loss below the low, which is 342, whatever it is. That's how you could trade that. Happy Friday, happy Friday, happy Friday, happy Friday. Mira in demand zone. Yes, it is. It's been here for a while. It's been here for a while. It's kind of a fun. I'm going to go through this candle wick. Oh, we can just keep like this, actually. This is actually looking pretty good. Falling wedge in it. Yeah, this looks very good. Very good. And the volume's coming off demand zone as well. This looks nice. Nice setup. Nice on Mira. What is this? Mira. So it's a bullish setup, right? So falling wedge, there's the demand zone as well. Good pumps. What's your stock to it? Shut up. 69 Blazer. Hodl AMC. Rev B. I think Rev B broke down, to be honest. From what I saw. Oh no, it's up. It's up. Down around 30%. Yeah, look, entries were here. Here's your levels. Whatever this is, 364. And then just this high here. 430. I have another one up here somewhere, yeah. 325. I think these are 4-hour highs, that's why I have them. But this is your Rev B chart. So strong bullish trend on this. So now that it's broken above 330, it should hold that and hopefully push to the upside. Oh, it's got catalyst next week? Yeah, I mean, it looks like it's pushing to the upside. It looks nice. GNS just closed 0.34. Jesus, thing's 30 cents. Yeah, needs some volume. On this thing. You need this thing to wake up. Go through this like that. Here's your Rev B. Your. Is there 0.35 somewhere? Yeah, there's your 0.35. So this is still bullish. You got a channel down pattern. So it's a channel down pattern. So you expect price to break to the upside on this. It's a bullish chart pattern. SPRC news. Yeah, SPRC, I ignore it. It's just a pump and dump. Every time I've seen it, it goes up, down, runs straight up, and comes all the way down. It never, ever, ever, ever holds its gains. Look, it ran straight up, came down, ran straight up, came down. There was news, look, ran straight up, came down, ran straight up, came down. So it's exactly the same thing every time. I just remove off my watch list. I'm not interested in it. AIMD. Yeah, AIMD looks good. Look, members, Discord members, you should have been in this trade. I know someone better be in it. If they're not, I'm going to freak out. It's a very easy trade. Very simple trade. Demand zone is undefeated. Demand zone is undefeated. It's the most consistent setup that I've been using recently. I know a lot of people on Twitter are making good money from it, which is nice. No worries, bro. What is this? T-Con. Let me check T-Con. T-Con 0.25, bro. Here, 0.25 resistance. You can have this level here, 0.245, but personally I just put 2.5 because it's just like a psychological number, so that's why I've kept 2.5. So just mark this level. If it breaks above, you need a closure above. If there's a closure above, there's a higher probability it's going to go to the upside. You want to take a high probability setup. You don't want to take a low probability setup because you're probably going to lose. Wait for 0.25 under break. Wait for 0.25 break. Wop. Been watching you a couple days. Cheers, bro. What percent do you look for in each trade? I'm a realistic trader. I look for 1,000% only when I enter my trade. So I'm holding every single trade that I'm in right now. Nothing's gone 1,000%. No, I'm joking. I just look for 5%. 5%, if I enter a trade, 5%. If it hits 5%, I sell 50% of my position. I move my stop loss up to around my entry and then let the rest move. If it goes up, I scale out. If it doesn't, just get stopped out my entry. That's kind of my basis of how I trade. But I don't hold for 1,000% gains. I'm joking. Because no one can tell you what price a stock will go to. I just literally trade what's in front of me, bro. So yeah, 5% is my level. And then I have a 3% stop loss. Yeah, SPLC I ignore, bro. Personally, I just showed you there the price action on it. PBM. So it already broke out. Look here, right? So usually you'd have this as a demand zone, right? Last red candle before the push, but look, this demand zone is huge. The range on this demand zone is not a valid demand zone for me personally, right? The range on this is 17%. I like my demand zone ranges like 10% max, right? But this one here, what you can do is, technically speaking, this isn't how you should draw the demand zone, but you can have like this zone here because you can see every time it's got into the zone, right, it's respecting it. Meaning if this comes down into here, then you can look for possible entry. So it's not an A plus like demand zone, but it is, you could use this kind of level or support level as a demand zone if you like. I mean, a better entry would it be if it reclaims VWAP. So if you can wait for VWAP, that'd be nice. IPA. Yeah, I'm joking. I don't hold for 1,000%. I wish. Oh, IPA. Here's IPA. Got absolutely dumped yesterday. Dumped. It looks like it's reversing though. So just mark the area support, which is like this low here, which is 163, put it in orange. I would wait for resistance. The resistance level you have around, I would wait for this. What is that? Yeah, you could, what is that? Yeah, 199. You could wait for 199. 199, $2. If you get a closure above that, you can look for entry. I know it's closed above here, but you can see if it does it. It goes again. And then this is your next level up around here. 237, let's put up 240. Yeah, around here. This is your IPA setup. So safe entries above here. Looks like it's reversing right now. I mean, riskier entries are above here. That's how you could approach this trade. So risky entries here. I wish I could enlarge the font, but I cannot. That's how you could approach this. IPA. Do 3% stop loss. You get stopped out too much for day trades. No, I don't. I only get stopped out like 23% of the time. I have a 77% win rate over 3,000 plus trades. It's all about strategy, brother. It's all about strategy. Strategy, strategy, strategy. 3% is... It seems like you get stopped out a lot, but it just depends on your strategy. I have developed a strategy that works very, very well for myself. And I only get stopped out like 23, 25% of the time. Slow typical Friday. Yeah, Friday sucks. I don't like trading Fridays, to be honest with you. IPA just put out some PR as they did yesterday. Oh, same PR. I remember that one stock used to do it every time at lunchtime in the US. It was that China play, I can't remember. Not Wafu, it was something else, but it was Wimmy or something. I don't know, but it was funny. VLD, so VLD is running. Here's your resistance. This is your major one here. See how it hit this on the knob? Look, double top. So 439, this VLD. You need a break above this level. You need a break above this level. PRCA, trying to build trade status 25K. Do you have a strategy? I mean, you can have, do you mean how to get to 25K? I mean, you have to develop a strategy that is consistent, but if you're talking about you can't have unlimited day trades, it's very easy to fix that. You just need a cash account. So if you're in the US, Webull, Robinhood, whatever, use a cash account. PRCH. PRCH is here. PRCH, you need this for, yeah, $4. It needs to reclaim this. 403. Yeah, I mean, it's very bullish right now. Obviously, it's pushing. Yeah, Sarah's just consolidating right now. So this is like a no trade range. This no trade range. That is what you have for this. Let me see what other plays are moving. Let's have a look. For those who are in the US and okay, so smaller trades, spread out money and plan my trades. That's correct. You need to have a plan. You need to have a plan as a trader, bro. If you have a plan, you're going to do extremely well in trading. If you have no plan, then you're going to be all over the place. All I do is I have a very simple strategy. What I do is, right, there's no secret to how I trade. I only look for 1% on my account a day, 1% a day, 5% a week, 20% a month. If you can make 20% on your account a month, it is pretty impressive, right? If you have a cash account, if you have under 25K, get a cash account, split your money in 50 in half. So if you have $10,000, use $5,000 for today, split that into 5 trades. I would say minimum take 2 trades, have a 3% stop loss on all of them, 5%, whatever you decide, and go for there. Don't need to take 1 million trades a day. You literally just need 1 trade a day to make to hit your goal. You don't need to take thousands of trades. Exactly, and I think hedge funds average is like 10% as well. So you're beating a hedge fund in a month if you're doing 1% a day. I know they trade with larger amounts, but still just giving you an idea of what. If you can consistently do 20% a day, think about it. I know not everyone has $100,000 or a lot, say, I don't know, 50,000, whatever it is, okay? If you have think about this, right? You have $100,000. If you can make 20% on your $100,000 a month, that is $20,000 a month you're making. And that is if you keep compounding it as well, right? So you can do the maths on that. Should be very simple, but yeah. It's all relative. Obviously, you have a $100 account, you're only making $20. That is still very, 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 very impressive because you're making 20% on the account, right? So that is how you can look at it. Don't compare yourself to other people because that's where you will your emotions will go all over the place and you're going to be trying to chase and make all the money in the world. Looks like that's why I never really post how much money I make or my account, because people just compare themselves to each other. They just compare themselves to, like, say, another trader, and they think they have to be on their level when that person's been trading for maybe like 15 years, 10 years, 5 years, and you've just started, right? That you don't just get profitable over the night, right? It takes time. It takes years. It can take even longer, right? So it just obviously depends on how disciplined. Everyone can trade. It's the main reason why people fail as a trader is just because of their emotions. That is it. There is a million ways to trade. There's no best way to trade. I share my way of trading and how I trade. Obviously, a lot of people like that, and that's fine. But there's also people who don't, and that's perfectly fine as well. But you need to develop a strategy that manages your risk. You have to have a risk management strategy. That is it. You have to accept your losses and focus on your winners. That's why I cut my losses at 3 and focus on my runners. That's it. 20% a month, 240. Exactly. Obviously, you're not going to do it every month, but I'm just giving you basis, right? 1% a day on your account. It doesn't sound like a lot, but that's what you can do. I'm down 3,200 on my account. I mean, it just depends on your account size, bro. If you're consistently losing, I would definitely trade with smaller size or just even paper trade until you become consistent, because you're just going to throw away money. NKGN's breaking out as expected. Yeah, NKGN's breaking out. I think I posted this on Twitter. Let me have a look real quick. Yeah, so NKGN ran the other day, right? So that's why it looks good. Let me see if I posted it. Yeah, it is. It is. So this is breaking out, right? I gave this an hour ago. When it was at, it was only at 190, but yeah, that's what I had on that. Do pre-market after hour gainers go up normally when market opens? It's just hit or miss, to be honest, bro. It is a hit or miss. I just have all of these stocks. I simply do the same thing over and over and over again. Every single morning I do the same thing. Once pre-market opens, I simply just add all the top gainers to my watch list, right? From my watch list, then all I do is I notice maybe I'll have 20 of them from pre-market. When market opens, I'll only have maybe 5 of them will be the ones that hold and give me the best setup, and I'll focus on those 5. That's it. So that's simply how I trade every single morning, bro. MBIO, someone asked me about that earlier. MBO needs this downtrend break here. I would say at least 135 it needs, at least. All I have left is 3,000. Anyway, I'll let you go back to work. No worries, bro. I mean, if 3,200 is your only amount, all I would do is I would literally trade with like 30% of that. So whatever you need to do that, and then try and build up that way. I personally wouldn't be trading if you had 25k and you're down to that much. You definitely need to work on some risk management. I hit on AMD this morning, all based on strategy and technicals. What I started with you 2 weeks ago. I've learned 2 weeks, last 5 years. Cheers, Bob, bro. Appreciate that, man. Thank you, bro. Well done, man. AIMD, which one? What did you take this morning? Where did you take it? Did you take it off this? Is this what you took off here? This here. Damn. No, I'm not into crypto near that, bro. I know Shiba. I traded during COVID. I made good money on during COVID with Shiba. I just bought it. That's when. No, it was like I think it was a year after COVID actually, that I got in Shiba and it started running. I was also in Doge when Elon was pumping it. That was pretty insane. Lovely, Bob. Glad you got in. I think I posted this to the Discord. I said here. Nice job, man. Nice job. Let me see what else is moving here. What else is moving and grooving? 0 ppm. Started with 2k, went to 5k, and now down to 3. Something that I would suggest as a trader when you're starting out as well, when you become like, if you make money like that, you should take money out, whether it's $100, $200 or whatever. Just take profit out, and you'll see how much it helps you a lot as well. It's rewarding and it makes you obviously want to keep making money and things. So try that as well. Something that you can do. Like I just take out my trading money for my expenses for the month and then just keep it in there kind of thing. That's kind of how I do it. Airbus News, let me have a look. Nice. Okay, let me add this one. This is a former run as well. Sounds familiar. So this high here, whatever this is. If you get a candle closure above this 511, maybe you can look for entries. Double, no, it's not double. That's what I have on this for this setup. Mirror on the wall. Mirror looks good and it's open. I'm liking this setup. Air still has all the way down to here. It can go all the way down to like 135. That's kind of how you could look at that. Elmo takes this, exactly, I know. Elmo is the shoe shopping king. I expected this to go, this is in last demand zone here for AUUD, but it's just really been getting killed pre-market to be honest, but it's in demand zone, so keep this on watch it open. I'll mention it as well, AUD. AUUD, keep this on watch into open. Guys, I know there's 3 people that messaged me this morning as well, and someone else just did now. Todd, I don't know if you're in here, but regardless if you're not, guys, with the Discord, I know it's saying what, right? That was our previous link. We're busy getting that sorted. It should be sorted in a week or so. But here is the link if you want to join. It's just through PayPal. So this is the link here. So it's just through PayPal. It's exactly the same thing. Nothing changes. It's just payment link for now. We're busy just sorting stuff out with WAP and Stripe. PBM can go from here. I've always watched the 2-minute chart. Okay, one thing to know, WAP. Okay, I'm just letting you know, right? There is no best time frame. Okay, you can go onto YouTube and you type in any number. You can type in best 15-minute strategy and it'll tell you 15-minute. And you can type in what is the best time frame for day traders. It will tell you 1 minute, it'll tell you 5 minutes, it'll tell you 15 minutes, it might tell you 1 second, right? There are thousands of ways to trade on any time frame, okay? But I can tell you that day traders, they use shorter time frames because they're only trading, right, within a certain time, okay? Meaning they don't hold plays overnight, day traders and scalpers. They use the 1 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute maximum, okay? If you're doing swing trading where you hold over a couple days, you will use a larger time frame like 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour daily. And then long term, you use larger time frames, right? Daily, weekly, monthly. But what time frame I use the best, what works best for me is 5 minutes. I like 5 minutes. Sometimes I use the 1 minute. But yeah, ideally I stick to the 5 minute. That works best for my kind of strategy and what I teach in the Discord. Yeah, there we go. Dylan just said. Got you. Oshia, does the Discord come with entry points? The Discord comes with entries, stop loss, targets. It comes with seminars. It comes with live trading. It comes with educational content. It comes with every single thing that I teach in the Discord. All my strategies are there. Everything's there. I have nothing to hide. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. But we're not an alert service. I give maybe max like 5 a day. Hassi gives 5 a day, so we have 10 for the day. Majority of the alerts are given from market open for the first 2 hours. That is when we trade, because it gives us the best setups because of the volume. So that is where we trade. We're not here. I'm not a Discord service where I provide 1,000 alerts a day, and if one of them run, we go boom, 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 right? We have a high win rate and we focus on quality and not quantity. But yeah, up to you if you decide. I think we have some spots for March. Comes with profits too, that's right. And risk management, right? Risk management, focus. Guys, like up the stream. We have 50 people in here. We can get at least, we have 18. Come on, we can get at least 35, 40 likes. At least. Come on, at least. Yeah, one thing I would, yeah, there, Bob. Like I would say, guys, for everyone, like my Discord is the one that myself and Hassi have. Okay, the tagline trading. Our Discord focuses on protecting you for the long term and making you a consistent trader for the long term. We're not here to just give you alerts and just get in anything and make this quick money, right? I focus on teaching you how to actually trade and how to manage your money and manage your risk. Not to fool pour everything. It's a process. I will tell you realistically, 1% a day is a fantastic goal. If you can achieve that, you are doing very, very well, right? You don't need to make 100% on your account a day, 30, 40% account a day. It's unrealistic to maintain that, right? Anyways, let me see here what's going on, and then I'm gonna, or it looks like it's trying to move up here. Or Cero is 440, yeah, 446. Oshia, look here. Break, retest, now boom. Let's see. So let me just remove all these other lines. Let's put 10-minute chart. So you can see what's happening, right? There's break there. So look, what's happened? This was the previous high, correct? That means now that it's broken above this, okay, usually what happens is it's going to retest that previous area of resistance. Now it's going to become support, and hopefully it will push up, right? So that's what we do expect on this kind of setup, like Oshia. So this is my prediction on Oshia, right? Oshia prediction. Right, guys, I'm going to go into the Discord. I know we have some of you guys who are joined. Welcome. Live trading link will be sent out in a bit. I got you 3 likes and hover, please. Hover, please. What is the direction? So all we do is we go to a larger time frame and go, okay, what is the trend, right? The trend is bullish, but we have resistance, right? Resistance is here. We can use this. So wait for 250 break like this, watch it retest, and then hopefully it goes up. But I trade plays that have volume and are more likely to go up. So that's how I kind of trade. M&M, yeah, I know this thing. I know, yeah. This thing's very solid. Look, around 51% today. If this breaks above this level, I don't know why I had this line here. Yeah, I had this 993 break. I don't know why it got removed, but 993 break is right here. If that breaks, you can expect continuation to 1110 at least. This would be a great watch into open. In my opinion, I think it's going to run. MNMD, top watch into open. SOUN. Oh, sorry, Carmen. AMLX. Yeah, so yeah, it's already gone. Yeah, this things keep going down and down. It's downtrend. Strong downtrend. I don't know. I personally would avoid it. There's way better setups than that. SOUN looks great. If it breaks 625, it's going to continue probably around 670 and plus. So it looks very good. SOUN's nice. Look, right off the demand zone. So heading to this next resistance level, which is 646. And then you have your next resistance level, which is here, right? So these are your next levels. To what price will LYT go to? It's going to 0 today. $0. All right, guys, I'm going to head into the Discord. I hope you all have a fantastic day. I will see you all on Monday. Have a great day. I will share charts where I can. I'm only trading for an hour, and then I am done for the weekend and going to chill out. But yeah, have a great weekend, guys. Members, I'll send out live trading link in like 10 minutes.